Alright, today I'm gonna make like a covered jar. So I'm gonna throw the jars first and then throw the lids for them. These are gonna be 2.5 pound jars. Should be pretty good size. And then I think I measured out like a pound for the lids, but probably won't need that much. Anyway, just center it up. Back to using my yellow clay. I'm all out of my red and white clays, so gotta make a trip to Seattle Pottery Supply this upcoming weekend and get another half ton of clay. I got a full ton last time, and my Tahoe was really struggling to drive home, so I'm just going to get half tons from now on. Alright. So, open it up. I mean, it's pretty much just a cylinder. I will trim these, so leaving a healthy amount down on the bottom, about half an inch or so. This is just like kind of collaring in and pulling up at the same time. And compress the rim. Alright, now we'll do a pull. Okay, another pull. This time I'm going to come out a little bit. And I'm leaving some bulk up here on the top because we need to form our gallery when we do. And you want a little bit of extra. A little bit of extra room when you do your galleries, so. Okay, I'm just going to do a shaping pull here, pulling out at the bottom. Pretty even thickness here. Just gonna try to just even it out a little bit more. Okay. Just go ahead and trim the hood here. grab our metal rib. My favorite throwing tool, metal rib. So versatile. I'll just finish up shaping this. It's a nice bulbous form here. Clean up the slip from the inside. Okay, now we'll do our gallery. So all I do is support from the outer wall while I push in or push down with my thumb here. Alright, and then you can even touch it up further with a chamois just to make it look nice and smooth. So you just kind of do the same movement with your fingers, or same position with your fingers, but with a chamois pressing it. There we go. And we need to take, actually let's bring this out just a tad more. Alright. Now, you take a measurement, grab your calipers, and set them to the inside diameter of where the lid's going to go. Alright, we'll take this. I'll set this aside. Okay, and I think I'll use a wood bat for this lid. Okay, so for the lid, I think this is about a pound. We don't need a pound, but I just already had some 1 pound balls out, so what I do is I make it smaller where the knob's going to be, and we'll trim a knob in it later. And then I'll just kind of make a bowl. Just going down, opening it up into a bowl. Check to see how much further we need to go. A pretty good amount, about an inch further. So just keep throwing your ball. Check it again. Check it each pole. Okay, quite a ways. Almost there. I think one more pull. And we'll use our rib. It's kind of a bulbous lid because the jar itself is kind of bulbous. You want them to match. Sometimes a flat lid looks nice on something like this, but a lot of times it doesn't. Okay, that's pretty much right on. I don't like the look of a flat lid on anything, so I try not to make a form that requires a flat lid. To me, it's just kind of a wasted opportunity to make something that looks nice. I want my lids to look just as nice as the pot that they're on, and of course fit in with the theme of the pot. This one is bulbous, so bulbous lid. And since I have the gallery inside of the pot, I don't need to make a gallery here. It will fit right into that. And then, just to save myself some trimming on the handle, I'm just going to go ahead and take a bulk off of here. I wouldn't worry too much about if you have enough height here for a knob. You can always trim this. If there's not enough clay for a knob, you can always just wedge up a little ball of clay, put it on there, and throw a knob on. Not a big deal. So I don't usually pay too much mind to how much clay is left down there. So anyway, that's a jar with a lid. Let's see if I can't show you what it might look like here. So this is going to sit right in there. Look kind of like one of Winnie the Pooh's honey pots. Anyway, thanks for watching.